Yo, hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Navid and this is Hyperpix.net. I'm here with an exciting text effect. Iron Man 1 text effect right now. We can change and apply our text to this beautiful logo and to great and dear Iron Man, which I think all of us love him. So, if you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net right now and grab a premium account and get this and hundreds of other text effects in different categories. So, long story short, let's edit this. Right click on the yellow layer and select Edit Content. Now, all you gotta do, double click on the text layer and type your text. There it is. You can change the size of the font, change the letter spacing. You can change the font, anything you want. But we're gonna do Iron Man makeover, right? So we're gonna keep the font and position it in the middle, and we're done. In the end, close it and select yes. There it is. There is our text to an Iron Man look. How long did it take? Did it take like more than 1 minute? Okay. This is a Sparks folder. There is a Sparks at the behind our design. You can remove it. You can duplicate it by difficulty and change the size of it. So this is Sparks in the background. Next one is label. This Marvel label that we designed it here like this, and you can change this too. All you gotta do is double click on the text and type whatever you want. Okay, if your text is bigger than the square rectangle, select the label and press Ctrl T so you can change the size of it. There it is. Match the size to the size of your text and you're good to go. You can change here too and type whatever you want. Okay, I'm gonna position the label in the middle and good. Next one is the text layer here. Make sure, actually, this text is not the copyright. You can type whatever you want. No credit needed in any commercial or personal projects. So don't worry about anything. Type whatever you want. There it is. Next one is the effects, which contains the structure of your design. I recommend you just skip this one. It's the technical stuff. Next one is the lights and the background. As you can see here, you can just position wherever you want. You can disable it, totally up to you. Yeah, that's it. And as you can see how easy it was. Now, all you gotta do, you can have this as transparent. Keep the FX folder and disable everything else, and you're gonna get a transparent logo and use anywhere you want. Okay, if you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net right now and download hundreds of our text effects in any projects, in any categories, movies, games, 80s, everything. Please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. My name is Nav.